Before the experiment starts, ensure the goggles, gloves, and lab coats are worn nicely. The electrolysis cell must be cleaned before use. Firstly, the electrolysis cell was rinsed with chromic acid. After rinsing, the chromic acid is disposed in the wastewater. Then, rinse the electrolysis cell again with the distilled water. In the experiment, lithium chloride is used as the indicator solution because the ionic mobility of lithium ion is less than the ionic mobility of hydrogen ion. The boundary in this experiment is the falling boundary because the density of lithium chloride is less than the density of hydrochloric acid. A little bromophenol blue indicator is added to both solutions, so the boundary will be sharp and clear. So, the leading solution was prepared by adding 0.5 cm3 methanolic bromophenol blue solution to 120 cm3 0.1 mole per dm³ hydrochloric acid, while the indicator solution was prepared by adding 0.5 cm3 methanolic bromophenol blue solution to 120 cm3 lithium chloride. The lithium chloride used has around the same concentration as the Chloroche concentration. The leading solution compartment of the electrolysis cell was washed with hydrochloric acid twice and filled with the solution until the solution level rises up to the cell tap. The cell tap was closed. Excess hydrochloric acid was removed from the top of the cell tap using a dropper. Then, the anode cell compartment was washed with the lithium chloride solution several times and filled with the lithium chloride solution. The cell was placed in the water bath. A little lithium carbonate solid was added to the cell compartment below the platinum electrode. Silver chloride reference electrode was inserted carefully to avoid gas bubbles trapped in the cell compartment. The platinum electrode was inserted. Then, the cell electrodes were connected to the DC power supply. The electrodes were made sure to be well connected before the DC power supply is switched on. The cell tap was opened before the DC power supply is switched on. Delivered a current of 4 to 5 mA through the cell until the boundary reaches the first graduated scale in the graduated tube. Then, the current was held steadily at 3 mA throughout the experiment. The time taken for the boundary to reach each graduated scale in the graduated tube was recorded. For the volume correction of the electrolysis cell was filled with distilled water until the water level reached any level of the graduated scale. Mark the graduated line. Then, a graduated pipette was used to further fill in 2 ml distilled water into the electrolysis cell and recorded the scale. Therefore, the exact volume of each graduated part can be determined.